How are you all doing? Ralph here, Ralfy Customs, and it's time for another Tooltime Tuesday, my friends. Today we're going to look at the old machinist toolbox. This is what I have next to my big lathe. So everything that I use on the lathe is to hand, and there's other bits and bobs here which we'll have a look at. Look, just a quick summary of the top. Is a couple of verniers for measuring, digital verniers, a couple of micrometers in imperial. Look at this old beautiful old Sterrett one that's obviously imperial, not obviously, but it's got fractions written on it, so there's a clue. And we have a metric equivalent, a modern metric equivalent, and they go up to an inch. I've got bigger ones. Calculator, because we need to add and subtract to work out the sizes that we want. Solar powered, save the planet. Spanner for locking off the carriage for when I'm parting off. There's a lock off under there, look. Just tightening this up. Mallet, just in case. For if we're moving the tool post round, we tap that, or if we're changing the chuck, we tap the big C-spanner with a mallet, so it's pretty useful. On top of my Dormer twist drill and reamer information handbook, which has got all sorts of stuff in there. All sorts of metric equivalent and different tapping sizes and drilling sizes and information on the speeds that you should use for different ones on different material, different drills, different material, and so on and so forth. I use that quite a lot. Cutting angles and how to grind, which I don't really look at very often, and so on and so forth. That's a mine of information. It really is. 1, 2, 3 block, which I use for squaring up tools against the chuck. I'll sandwich it in that gap if needs be, to make sure that my potting tool's square or my tool post square or whatever. Quite useful. Same with the square. I use the square if I can't get in with that. I can square off the sides of this, not where I tighten it up, obviously. Not where this is, but on a clean bit of the shank, I can square off, look. And I can work from that, or I can move that. Oh, it's locked. It's fucking locked. Talking about locking it in, it is locked. So that's that. Oil for the keyways. Keyway oil, which is really thick and sticky. And then we've got various markers for making index marks. I'm not sure why I've got a piece of chalk on there. Oh, it's from a file that's not here. But rubbing on my file to keep my file teeth free. And a bit of emery, should we need it. Let me go and get our file. It's over here somewhere. I'll have a look for that shortly. So I'll just spin you around. Ooh, twice. I don't know what's going on with this. Ever such a short one today. A little bit of Tooltime Tuesday. Have a good one.